said my name like it still had meaning, but the echo died in your throat. We kept walking through the static of our memories, pretending the silence was home. I tried to find your eyes between the shadows, but they were already looking at someone else's son. And I still breathe you out like smoke, burning every word I didn't say. Love's a ghost that never leaves the room. It just changes the way it haunts the day. You were the storm that I kept chasing long after the rain stopped remembering my name. The city hums our unfinished song in the windows, 1,000 almost. Every streetlight feels like confession. Every night another echo of loss. If pain had wings, it would look like you flying away just to stay close. Maybe we were just too human, too afraid to stay, too proud to fall. Now I see you in reflections of nothing, and I don't know if it's love or withdrawal. And I still breathe you out like smoke, hoping the wind will carry you back. But ghosts don't return to the living, they just learn to fade.